Welcome back to another Elkhart Brass repair video. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to re-grease the ACME threads of the Chief XD handline nozzle. Tools you'll need for this project are a dead blow hammer, a 3/16 pin spanner wrench, blue Loctite 242 or equivalent, a small brush, and Teflon grease ECL number 25 special lubricant or equivalent. So to begin with, place the nozzle or tip on its side, locating the pinhole on the retaining ring. You'll notice we wrap the spanner wrench with masking tape. This is to help prevent any scratching that may occur to the nozzle. Next, insert the spanner wrench into the pinhole as shown. From there, take the hammer and gently tap on the wrench until the retaining ring becomes loose. You can then set the wrench aside and unthread the retaining ring from the nozzle tip. Once the retaining ring is free, you can then unthread the nozzle tip from the body itself, exposing the ACME threads on the nozzle. Next, clean the old grease off of both the body and the tip. We do not recommend using any solvents, detergents, or degreasers to clean the threads. Now we are going to reapply new grease to both the female and male threads on both parts. In this video, we're only greasing the body threads for demonstrational purposes, and we do recommend greasing both the body and tip threads during this procedure. Next, you'll want to locate and remove any excess grease and old Loctite from the fine threads on the tip body and retaining ring. We're going to apply new Loctite and need these threads to be clean. Next, reinstall the nozzle tip onto the body. Be sure to leave enough room so the fine threads of the retaining ring can be seen. Apply a small strip of blue Loctite number 242 or equivalent to the fine threads before threading the retaining ring back into the nozzle tip. Ensure the threads are properly aligned during installation. Hand tighten the retaining ring before using the spanner wrench to secure it in place. Tighten using the spanner wrench until the retaining ring is snug, and make sure not to over-tighten. Next, rotate the tip from full fog to straight stream to ensure smoothness of operation. Excess grease may escape from the bleeder holes during this process, and that is normal. Wipe off any extra grease that bleeds out during this process. Lastly, allow 24 hours for the Loctite or thread sealant to fully cure before use. After the Loctite is cured, be sure to flow test the nozzle, checking for any leaks, the stream quality and flow, and overall smoothness of operation before putting back into service. Thanks for watching! If you have any further questions or would like additional instructions or information on the Chief XD or Elkhart Brass products, please visit our website at www.elkhartbrass.com.